If you're shopping for someone who values quality over quantity, or if you're making a wish list just for yourself for the holidays, this is the video that you need to watch, because I'm going to share with you 10 thoughtfully, like a curated list. This is not those videos that I'll share with you 150, like 200 gift ideas. No, we're being intentional here. These are the items that are worth your investment. And I'm starting with something that has changed my nighttime routine, but the focus of this video is going to be items that you wouldn't buy for yourself, or if you're thinking of someone that you love or you want to give something, they wouldn't buy it for themselves either. So let's just get into it. Okay, so this first one is special because this is something that I've been using every single night for the last week, and I have to tell you about it. This is the AMIRO LED Light Therapy Mask, and this video is kindly sponsored by them. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I was a little bit skeptical about this because I've seen LED masks all over like social media. It's like such a hype, and I'm like, does it really work? And the main concern that I had was if it's going to be comfortable, will I be able to, make it something that I use consistently? But here's what I've noticed ever since I've been using this daily for a week now, is that my skin, I've had some acne going on because of, I've been a little bit stressed lately, but also like working a lot, not eating the right things that I have to eat. So my skin have been breaking out, and ever since I've been using this, I see that my skin is way calmer. Just that stubborn acne is like less inflamed. So just for that reason, I will be continue using this every single night. Now, because of the design of this, it is so easy to use. What I love about it is that it has like this goggles kind of design in the back. As you can see, you just literally put it on your face and that's it. On the inside, you can see that it has like these protective area for your eyes, so the light is not like, blinding you. And in the front, you can see this panel. Like the whole design of this looks super futuristic. Through this panel right here, you can see. So you can walk around because this is portable, but you can also just lay down. You can do some reading. You can catch up on text. So it is just, super, super easy to use. It's lightweight. So yeah, definitely comfortable. And that's the reason why I've been using it every single night. Now, the ingenuity about this mask is that it combines multiple wavelength of light therapy that penetrates the skin at multiple layers at the same time. And it has 3 modes: firm, glow, and purify. The main benefit of firm is that it reduces fine lines and it tightens the skin. Glow mode is mainly geared towards boosting metabolism and helping with blood circulation, and it also reduces pigmentation, while purify really helps with calming inflammation, oil control, and it can really treat your acne. What I've been doing is 1 session of every mode every night. Each session is 5 minutes, but what I love about this the most is that I look forward to this every single night. Like those 15 minutes is my time to like slow down, make myself maybe a cup of tea, do like a whole ritual kind of thing, put my serum on and put some music, like relaxing music, and put my mask on and just lay there and relax. It's like my own little spa treatment every night. Now, this is the type of gift that, someone would not buy that easily for themselves, but whenever they receive something like this, they will appreciate it. It's thoughtful, it's practical, and it just shows that you care about that person's well-being. So whether it's a gift for your mom, your sister, your friend, or maybe you want to add this to your own gift list, I promise you the value for money for this it is just unmatched when you look at the face mask market. I'll put my code on the screen. You can get a very nice discount with that, and everything will be, of course, linked in the description below. Okay, now that we have self-care covered, let's get to some fashion items that also make a very perfect gift. Next up is a suede handbag, and the reason why I decided to include this in this gift guide is because suede is having such a big moment right now, but suede is such a classic material, right? And at the same time, it feels so luxurious. It can be like something that someone wouldn't necessarily buy for themselves, which makes it the perfect gift. And with a suede handbag, you can elevate literally any kind of outfit because it adds an extra dimension to an outfit because of the texture. And most ladies already have their classic leather handbag. Maybe they even have a couple already, but they don't have a suede handbag, which will just take their wardrobe to that extra level. And it's that type of piece that is not an everyday kind of purchase. Now, what I would recommend is this one from Cezanne. You guys have seen me style this handbag countless times. It is just this beautiful, super minimal handbag that's so slouchy and just looks effortless. But if you want something a little bit more structured, I would recommend this one from Thessely, which is also a beautiful piece. It has like this nice pleating kind of effect in the front with a gold clasp and structured handles. So you can go both routes, but I'll also link a couple of other options in the description. You can check them out. These two go kind of in the same price range. I would say on the high street, you can definitely find more affordable options, but if you want something that's like genuine suede, I would say between the 300 and the 500 range, you can find some good solid pieces. Okay, a cashmere sweater is one of those gifts that never disappoints. Now, it is something that people will wear every single day, but some like specific people will not invest in a good quality cashmere sweater. So for that reason, I think it is a phenomenal gift, especially if you get one that is just a classic cut, a classic color that goes with like everything in their wardrobe, and it's just a good quality piece. I promise you they will appreciate it. Now, a pro tip here is that if you're not sure about sizing, size up, because an oversized fit is more forgiving and it's also quite on trend. Okay, a maxi wool coat is something super special, like for your mom, for your sister, like someone that you really want to spoil. I think this will be the perfect gift. The long length is so elegant and it provides maximum warmth. Look for wool blends that are at least 80% wool because you want that good quality and you want something that will last. So the price range for this, I would say a good wool coat starts at around 400 bucks, but the cost per wear will make it so worthwhile. Okay, a suede belt is something that you wouldn't think, you know, really to include in a gift guide. It's something very simple. But what I love about a suede belt is that it adds like that just finishing touch to an outfit that really takes it to another level. I would say it's also an easy gift to give in terms of like sizing. And why suede? It is because mostly like people already have like their leather belts, but a lot of people don't really have suede belts. So if you get something that is in a neutral color, like a brown or a navy, I promise you they will be able to wear it over and over again with jeans, with pants, over their coat, for example. And it's just that beautiful piece of accessory to elevate their outfit. Now, this is a great gift idea because you can find suede belts in different price ranges. So you can go for the luxury route. This one is from Kate, so definitely something, you know, more luxurious. But equally, you can go also for high street. This one is from Aritzia, also beautifully made. Okay, leather gloves are so underrated as a gift, but they are practical for cold weather. They look so sophisticated, and if you get like a good quality one, it will last a lifetime. My recommendation would be to get something that's leather, like genuine leather, and that's lined. These ones that I'm recommending right here are from the brand Theory. They are sheep leather, super like buttery soft, and it is lined with cashmere, so it will keep your fingers warm. I wore this in New York, and another thing that I would say be on the lookout for is that it has like the tech fingertips so that you can still use your phone while you're wearing the gloves. This one is also a little bit longer, so it comes like pretty high up on the wrist. Again, trapping in that warmth, so extremely practical. Okay, let's move on to some more lifestyle kind of items. The Dyson Airwrap. I've been raving about this product forever. This is more of a splurge kind of moment for sure, because this is not cheap. But for that person that you really love and that has been, you know, wanting to style their hair themselves, they will be forever grateful to you for this gift. It makes styling the hair that much easier. It is a product or a tool that will help keep your hair like more healthy in terms of like less heat damage, and it gives those like salon worthy results. Now the next thing is like a Pilates hot yoga gift card. Now this is a great gift because it gives wellness, community, and self-care, especially if you know it's someone that has been wanting to try like a new hobby or like a new activity. I think this is a great way for them to dip their toes in and see if it's something for them. There are so many different things out there that are just wellness related and that are not the ordinary kind of things, that I think it's a treat to like try something new and meet new people. So for that reason, I think this is a great gift to give. And it's not, in terms of like the budget, it doesn't have to be an astronomical amount. You can already get like some cute classes for like $30. And last but not least is a oil diffuser. Now, if you ask me what's on my wish list or my gift list, I would say this is one of the items for sure. I don't have this yet, but I've really been wanting to get one. And I saw online from doing my research that Vitruvi is one of the best brands when it comes to this product category. It is so beautiful. It has a very minimal design and super easy to use. So for someone that maybe just got an apartment or a house and you want to like add those finishing touches to their interior, this is just perfect. And it's just that object that elevates the space, but also it's just that ritual of putting the oil in and diffusing the room. Just clears, like, I don't know, clears the aura or whatever. It's just super calming and relaxing. Just a lovely form of self-care. Now for this gift, I would recommend to get the unit itself, but also maybe a starter pack of a sample of 3 different essential oils, for example. So there you have it. These are the 10 items that I would recommend as gifts for this holiday season, maybe for your loved one or honestly just for yourself, because we deserve it all. And these are not items that will just sit there and get accumulated. These are super practical items of great quality that will add value to someone's life. And they are items that make our daily life just a little bit more special. And remember, the best kind of gifts is not about the price tag, it's about the thoughtfulness and just thinking of what that person will actually use and that they wouldn't easily buy for themselves. If you want to try out the AMIRO LED light mask, I'll leave everything down below in the description. And don't forget to use my discount code for a hefty discount and report back to me, what do you think about it? I am very curious to know your thoughts because so far I'm raving about it to all my friends. But thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!